friends, I am Leonardo Perez Nieto, and this is a special video to give you an update on what's happening with the November challenges. The first challenge of November was on the concept of values in art, how to apply different values. You were meant to make a drawing applying this concept, upload it to your Instagram account with the hashtag finearttips-v. And then on the second week we went over the rule of thirds. So the challenge was to make a drawing using this rule, upload your drawing to Instagram with the hashtag finearttips-r3 for the rule of thirds. But it turns out that the dash doesn't work on Instagram. Everything that is after the dash doesn't get considered. So don't worry too much, because the fine art tips part works, and I have my team reviewing those submissions one by one and sorting them out by challenge. If you want, you can change the dash for an underscore, and in that way everyone will be able to see it much easier. But if it is too much trouble for you, don't worry, we will sort it out and you will still be participating. For the new challenge, in last videos of this Tuesday, I went over atmospheric perspective. So the challenge is to apply the concept of atmospheric perspective to one of your drawings and upload it to Instagram with the hashtag finearttips_A for atmospheric. The underscore works very well, as I told you. And a reminder, the October challenge organized by Appeals, the submissions were closed in October, but the voting period goes all the way to the 20th of November. So you still have time to go with the link below and vote for your favorite drawing. That ends on the 20th of November, and the winners will be announced on the 30th of November, both on their website and in one of my videos. Additionally, if you order the book from Amazon on pre-sale, you can send me the the receipt proving the purchase, and you will be participating in a raffle to win a one-on-one consultation with me, where you can ask me anything about an artistic career or anything you want. Thank you so much for your support. Have a nice week, and I will see you on Tuesday.